Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Detergent Dispenser. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new detergent dispenser. The detergent dispenser is located on the dishwasher door. It dispenses the soap and the rinse aid. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if any of the parts have failed and it's not dispensing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can use the Torx 15 driver to take out all the door screws. When you're taking these out, there's the 4 across the top that are longer than the others, so just remember that and don't mix them up. Once you have all the screws out, you can carefully lift the door up. Then we're going to carefully let the outer door fall open a little bit. And we have to disconnect this wire from the main control board. So we're just going to reach in and disconnect it. There's a little locking tab on it that you have to press. Once you have it free, you can lift the outer door off and set it aside. Now that we have the outer door off, we can take out the detergent dispenser. We're going to take the wire off first. Just unhook it from the clip right here. And then there's a small tab right here that you have to press in to release it. We're going to press that with a flathead screwdriver and pull the wiring harness out. Then we can let it hang. There's basically a bunch of metal clips that go around and lock the dispenser into the door. So we're going to go ahead and lift those up with a flathead screwdriver. You don't want to lift them up too far. And we're going to put a putty knife under this one here to kind of hold it so it doesn't snap back in and lock back in. And we're going to go around and do these and then press in so it goes into the door. Once you get it so it's pushed in a little bit, you can pull the putty knife out and do the bottom ones. Once you have all the tabs released, we're going to open the door and pull up the dispenser from the inside. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the door. Here's the old detergent dispenser next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new dispenser in, all you have to do is line it up with the hole and snap it in. You want to make sure that the solenoid is on this side. Just going to set it into place and snap it in. You may have to put some pressure on it to get the seal to compress so the tabs lock in. Once you have it snapped into place, you can close the door and just check real quick to make sure all those locking tabs are good. Then we can hook up the wiring harness. Just gonna plug it into the solenoid, making sure it locks in. And route the wire through the wire holder. Once you have it in place, you can put the outer door back on. To put the outer door back on, you want to make sure that the tab right here at the bottom of the door goes into this hinge opening right here on each side. Then you can rotate the door over. Just lift it up enough to slip each side in. Let it settle down. And we're going to reconnect the wiring harness to the control board. All you have to do is grab the wiring harness and plug it into the control board. There's a little locking tab on there. Just make sure it locks in. Now that you have it plugged in, we're going to open up the door a little bit and then lift the outer door panel up onto the inner door so it's in place. And then we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to put in one of the long screws to hold it together so we can open the door the rest of the way and put all the screws in. Now that we have the dishwasher put back together, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.